Hi, this is Andrea Schulman again, and in today's quick law of attraction video, I'm going to share with you a very easy suggestion to teach you how to make progress towards your big goals, or to how to build a big dream for yourself. And so this is a very useful suggestion if you have a big project or a big goal that you plan on being actively involved in. So this isn't about manifesting something randomly out of the sky, but rather it's about being invested in something that's kind of like a long-term project. So perhaps starting a new business, or perhaps losing 100 pounds, or getting your body in peak physical condition, something like that, where you feel like you're going to be a part of the progress. But first, if you're watching this video on YouTube or on my website, please make sure to subscribe, because I do put out new law of attraction videos every week. Also, if you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, please turn on your notifications so that you see these videos when they come out. Let's go ahead and share now this suggestion on how to make progress and build a big dream for yourself. Now, if you have a big dream for yourself, congratulations, because a lot of times before people know about the law of attraction, they keep their dreams pretty small because they just don't believe that they can achieve them. So if you set for yourself a very lofty goal, like a new business, or like creating your dream body, or like finding, something that's really ideal for yourself, that's really awesome, because it means on some level that you're already starting to believe that you can have it. That being said, sometimes when we set a very big goal for ourselves, we can get discouraged because it seems so far away from where we are. So from where I am, I want to start a business and I have all these great ideas of what I want it to be, but right now I work for somebody else. I have no concept of starting a business. It could seem very far away. And so when big dreams feel very far away, it can get discouraging. And sometimes it's hard for us to know, what should we be doing? How should we be moving towards that dream? So if this is a new dream for you and you haven't taken action on it, or if it's a dream you've already started getting going on, but it feels like the energy is stalled out or that you're not really getting anywhere, here's something really awesome that I suggest that you do. The suggestion is this: make it your only goal right now to take one small step in the direction of progress every day. One small step. So maybe on the first day, you just think about some potential business names. And maybe on another day, you do a little bit of research on how to build that particular business. Maybe on another day, you think about potential logos. And it doesn't mean that you have to actually get these things done, but just that you get it in your mind that every day I'm going to learn something to move me forward, or I'm going to create something to move me forward, or I'm going to make a connection to move me forward. And it doesn't have to be anything big, something small, something doable. Now, you may not think that doing something small and something doable is going to get you to the finish line with your big dream, but it will, because the law of attraction is all about momentum. Really, the only thing that matters when it comes to moving towards something is that you just start moving in that direction. And over time, you build up enough momentum that it starts to carry you. So moving towards a big dream is a lot like pedaling a bicycle. When you first get on a bicycle, the first couple pedals are kind of awkward, kind of slow. But once you do a few of them, you get into a rhythm to the point where you don't even really need to push anymore, and the momentum just carries you. Making it your goal to just make one small move forward every day will allow you to make those pumps on the bicycle. And what you're probably going to find is that after a few days, you want to do more than just one or two things. You get a new idea to do something else. And suddenly the momentum of progress starts to build and build and build until you're really moving forward towards whatever that goal is. So again, if you have a big goal and you'd like to know how to make progress with that goal, or how to build this big dream, get down to basics of what can you do right now? What can you do today? Something small, something doable, You're not trying to solve the big thing all at once. All you're trying to do is get a few petals in so the momentum of progress picks you up and carries you towards your dream. Thanks so much for watching today's quick Law of Attraction video. Again, please remember to subscribe and to turn on your notifications. And of course, make sure to have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.